Hey everyone, AEM here from gsm6.com. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and fix login issues on the latest Transsion Carlcare Aftersales ImeiWrite Tool v7, tested and working in 2025. No username, no password, full IMEI repair step by step. Let's jump right in. First, let me show you that modern professional tools like Pandora, DFT or UMT etc. doesn't support Android security patch level 2025. I chose the latest security version from Pandora tool, and got error while repairing IMEI. I have Infinix Hot 40, with corrupted IMEI 0000 in my hands, running on Android 13 and security patch level October 2025. In my previous video I did repair IMEI on Android 14 with October 2025 security. Video link in descriptions. I have written step-by-step installation guide on gsm6.com. In this video we will follow that guide step by step. Don't skip or you won't be able to use the tool. The tool has no virus, but still it's better to turn off antivirus before using it to avoid any interruptions.
Wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love.
Make sure you have installed latest, working Mediatek USB drivers. You can download compatible and verified MTK drivers from gsm6.com. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the Carlcare ImeiWrite Tool V7 login or setup issue, smash that like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to GSM6 for more mobile software guides, FRP, IMEI repair, network unlocks, and more. Join our tech forum at forum.gsm6.com for free downloads and updates. See you in the next video.